Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply a tourist visa to the Republic of Congo. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when it comes to apply tourist visa for any country, it's very important that first of all we determine, do we really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, and purpose, you may or may not need a visa. And once you determine that you need, then always check the requirements based on the official entity that covers your location, like embassy, consulate, mission, whichever. Because based on your location, there could be additional documents, additional steps, separate steps, anything could be. For example, if you're in Canada, so I have opened Republic of Congo Embassy in Canada. And this consular services, if you go, they have the section for visa. So, okay, they said that you need a valid passport. So if you gonna go for tourist visa, okay, they have given the fee for 1 to 2 months or 3 months. Okay, now required two passport photos. Okay, they have given the specification, valid passport, hotel reservation or letter of invitation, copy of airline ticket and so return ticket. Okay, and how to send? You must provide a prepaid stamped envelope from these providers with a track. Okay. Processing time 7 to 10 working days. They have emergency process too. Okay. So we know how to pay, we know how to send. Okay. All right. Now let's see how to apply for it. We have a link, apply now, but it said it does not exist and instead we need to open this MS Word. Okay. I'll open it.
So the first portion is photo, and then you have to provide your details. See, they are in French, but you don't need to worry about most of these. You can understand, and you have Google Translate. For example, that prenom is the first name, then family name, then gender, profession, address, telephone, email, date of birth. There are some I mean, some fields you can understand. Nationality, original at birth, passport number. Just check it with Google Translator. Okay, date of expiration, date of passport issue. You have these details. Then you go down, like you want regular processing, expedited processing, and date of visit, address, contact, all such things you have. Then you need to sign and date at the end, and if you score, then it's official use. And then you have checklist: passport, photocopy of photograph page of your passport, two passport size photograph, visa form, prepaid written envelope for tourist visit, hotel booking or host confirmation or accommodation at whatever you say, standard processing, 5 days, vaccine mandate later. So that's how it works, guys. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.